Hello, everyone. My name is Michael Schmela. I'm the Managing Director of TaiyangNews, and it's great to see you for the second day of our first TaiyangNews solar cell and module production equipment and processing materials conference. First, I would like to thank again our sponsors. They help us to bring this event to you at zero cost. So we have with us Longi. Can you change, Udaya, maybe slides? We have next one. What's the sponsors? Okay, here they are. So we have Longi, JTI, Cybrid, Decam, First, RCT Solutions, Autoel, Laplace, Lead Micro, and HiOV as sponsors. So great to have them. And thanks. Just a few things on housekeeping. You see the chat channel. If you're new to us, please use it. This is our means of communication. And it usually works quite well. So please ask questions, comment, and be interactive as much as you can. That's also from which the conference is living, and the speakers usually also are very actively participating here. But when you contribute in this area, please be nice, even if you get comments from competitors which you do not agree with. So just about the second day, while we've looked yesterday deep into the different tool parts of cell manufacturing, so from deposition to metallization, today's focus is much more on the module than on the cell. Module manufacturing, as we all know, is less CapEx intensive and at least at first sight also much less difficult, and thus traditionally also globally much more spread. We have quite a number of module factories around the world, simply because these international companies could rely on cells from low-cost cells from Asia, mostly China. And living in Europe, I can tell you we have basically no wafer manufacturing. We have very little cell manufacturing, also only as of recently. And a number of module manufacturers for many years, although, and that's the big but here, these are increasingly struggling at today's prices. And consequently, we've also seen some closure announcement recently. So that will be also a topic of today. So if we look at the agenda, we will see that we start with a keynote from Peter Fahrt, founder and CEO of RCT Solution. There's probably no one else these days outside China who's involved in designing more factories than Peter, and he's doing that from wafers, cells to modules. And in his keynote, he will talk about building new capacities and cell module manufacturing at competitive cost. As the cell is the base for module manufacturing, and as already mentioned, most non-Chinese manufacturers are sourcing cells. We've invited one leading cell manufacturer from China to share its view on the topic. So we have Chinroy An from JTI, who will talk on what to look out for when sourcing high efficiency N-type cells. We have then a presentation from leading cell connection equipment maker Confirmware. We have with us Li Yu, who is a director at Confirmware's overseas department, and he will talk on PV production equipment for N-type modules, on adaptations and optimization possibilities. Then it's about encapsulation, and as products, I have to say, are more interesting than the laminator itself. So we have three leading companies in the backsheet and encapsulation field speaking. So we have Stephen Tang, senior engineer from Hangzhou, talking on encapsulation material for TOPCon modules. Jacob Harris from Cybrid presenting on advanced backsheet structures for latest cell technologies. and Rainbow Chang from HiUV's Overseas Department talking on multi-scenario encapsulation technology for N-type cells. This will be then followed by a panel discussion on the topic going local, what's needed to manufacture modules profitably around the world. And here we have done it this way, that we have one factory designer, Peter, an equipment maker, Leo, and then a materials company with Cybrids, so we can reflect the module manufacturing topic inside out. Okay.